Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling billing because maps require an active billing account. This prevents sudden access blocks. Once done, enable the Maps JavaScript API or the appropriate Maps SDK for mobile, then generate an API key. Make sure to restrict the key with HTTP referrers or app package names to protect it. Next, open your Nexon project settings and paste the API key into the designated Maps or plugin field so the engine can authenticate requests. You now import the Maps module or plugin into your Nexon scene and call its initialization routine. This links the API key and prepares network access. Then create a visible map container in your UI and initialize the map with a center coordinate, zoom level, and control options so it renders predictably. Make sure to add necessary markers and attach click or drag event listeners. Also request geolocation permissions when required. Without user permission, you won't get real-time location, so handle deny and fallback states gracefully. You finish by testing in development and a staging build, watching console logs and network calls to confirm tiles and API responses load correctly. Once validated, tighten API key restrictions, set sensible usage quotas, and enable simple caching to reduce costs and latency. If something goes wrong, like a blank map or billing errors, first check that the API key matches the app referrer or package, verify billing is enabled, and read the console error code. That single step usually reveals the root cause and speeds your fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.